Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change a door handle on a GMC Sierra. Before you begin, gather your essential tools. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a trim panel removal tool. Also, have a 10mm socket wrench, an extension, and a small pick tool ready. Always wear appropriate safety gloves for hand protection and ensure your workspace is well lit for clear visibility. This preparation ensures a smooth installation. First, gently pry off the interior door panel, starting from the bottom edge and working your way up with a trim removal tool. Once loose, carefully disconnect any electrical connectors attached to the panel, such as those for the power windows or locks. Next, locate and unbolt the two 10mm screws holding the door handle in place. Finally, detach the 3 linkage rods from their respective clips, allowing the old handle to be removed completely. Take care not to damage any wiring. Now, let's install the replacement handle. Begin by securely attaching the 3 linkage rods to their proper connection points on the new handle. Carefully slide the new handle into the door cavity, ensuring the mounting holes align perfectly with the frame. Insert and firmly tighten the two 10mm mounting bolts to secure it in place. Before proceeding, perform a quick test to ensure the handle opens and closes smoothly from both inside and outside. This step confirms correct installation. To finish, carefully reconnect all electrical connectors to the interior door panel. Then, align the panel correctly and firmly snap it back into position, ensuring all clips engage properly. Once reattached, perform a thorough final check of all door components. Test the power windows, the door locks, and the interior and exterior handles for smooth operation. Your new handle should function perfectly, providing reliable access to your vehicle. Enjoy the refreshed look and feel.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.